Just open your laptop, follow these steps, and close it. And then go and focus on other things that need your attention while you make some decent cash. No startup money required, and it doesn't require any skill. So if that sounds good to you, watch the video until the end so you don't miss out on important pointers. And make sure to leave a like and hit the subscribe button if you are new to the channel so you can get more tips. I'm the Make Money Online strategist, and I'm all about money, okay? And I like having conversations that will make me money. So with that said, let's get right into it. I want us to use GIFs in today's strategy. Probably a lot of you have seen them before because they are all over social media platforms. Millions of them are being uploaded every week. But for those that do not know what a GIF is, it is just an image that is animated, meaning that it's a moving picture. Let me just show you. This is a GIF and that is a GIF as well. There are different types of GIFs based on the topic. Some are serious, some are goofy, some are naturalistic, and so on. So what you need to do is to go to a website called giphy.com. This is where millions of people across the globe upload GIFs every single day. So there's plenty to choose from and they are free, so you do not need to pay anything. So since people download them every day, after this video you'll know how to download them so you can make yourself some decent money. Now just go and search for the followers GIF and explore them until you find the one that you like. For example, I'm gonna use this one because it seems vibrant and catchy to me, so it will really look great for our exercise. So I'll just download it. Just right click on it and save it. Now go open another tab and go to a website called eclincher.com. Well, this is a top-ranked social media management platform. It is basically a tool that businesses, social media influencers, or regular people like me and you use to grow their social media accounts. Other examples could be sports teams and professional wrestlers because they don't have the time to focus on their social media accounts, but they want them to grow. So what eClincher does is help them by doing all the work for them and therefore increasing their clients' return on investments. It works on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Pinterest, LinkedIn, YouTube, and TikTok. eClincher is a reputable company because it has been talked about on these media powerhouses like Forbes, ABC, Fox News, so they definitely know their stuff in this field. So now, let's use their excellence to put some money in our pockets. So you're gonna go and click on partner slash affiliates. You are doing this because you want to join their affiliate program to start making money with the GIFs you just downloaded. Now, this is why you stand to make a lot of money within a very short time. Over 3.6 billion people go on social media in a space of a year, and that's incredible if you ask me. So, what you need is a couple of people to start making some decent money. If you refer one person, you get $100. And if you refer 10 people, and that's $1,000 in your pocket. Now, if you refer 100 people, you stand to make a staggering $10,000 in cash. So now, my job is to help you to do it only once and watch the money rake in month after month. So click on the apply here button and this screen will pop up. Now you just need to enter your email, first and last name. Now where it says websites, I will show you the website so you do not need to worry about having your own website. Company name is optional, so you can leave it blank and then just select the country you are in right now. And it's legible for every country. Every country is allowed the last time I checked. So here is where you put your number, your password, and add your social media accounts right here, and then you click on the box where it says you agree to their terms and conditions, and then come over right here and sign up. Now here you will be able to grab the affiliate link that will make you a lot of money while you focus on other things that need your attention. Alright, now let me show you how you can expose that link to millions of people in a short space of time, or even long term. So now go over to imgur.com. Apparently, over 200 million people visit this website every month. So what you need is only 10 people from the 200 million people to make $1,000. So now you want to sign up for a new account, and it's simple, you'll manage, because they'll only want basic info about yourself. Now when you're done, come here to new post, click here on choose photo, and then you will click on the GIF you just downloaded. And after that, give your GIF a nice title, and then go down and give out a call to action and paste your link right next to it. Now just come here and add tags that are about the audience that you want. Examples would be hashtag grow your account, hashtag social media giants, hashtag get more subscribers, and just like that you are done, and all you need to do is post it. After you have posted it, all you need to do is track your earnings. And imagine you did this without capital, without startup cash. You just did this for free from the comfort of your home. Now you can also watch these videos to make more and more money, because they are also free of charge. You do not need any investment. And remember to leave a like and consider subscribing if you want more and more ways to hustle on the internet. Let's end here for today, and I'll see you in some of my next videos. Thanks for watching.